how to use your old Coolpix by Nikon. This is the S3200, and you want to use it as a webcam, or if you want to use it for live stream, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. But before we show you that, let me show you the things that you need. Camera, you need the battery to power it up, and you need a specific cable. You need this cable here, the specific for the camera, for the audio video out that it has, which on this camera is right here. And then you're also going to need this device here. It's called ClearClick, and all this is simply going to do is send the signal out, and then you can use it on your PC, and then we're going to connect it all to be able to successfully live stream using this as a webcam. Alright, so let's get started. First, we're going to put in the battery here. Let's connect our audio video. Then we're going to connect the audio video out to the ClearClick in. Okay, this is basically what it looks like when it's all connected, just like that. And then this part will go into the PC, and let's jump into the program. We're going to use OBS, and let's see exactly how this works. Okay, moments of truth. Now let's see if we can get this to stream and see if it's all working. We have launched OBS, and we have connected our Nikon Coolpix 3200, and here's the device already connected, and the camera is connected to it. And then so what we want to do is we're going to go under capture device, and then you'll be able to stream going right here. So you can stream there, or you can record, whichever you like. So the way we do this, we're going to double click on this part. I want to make sure that the ClearClick is selected. If you don't see it, usually drop down menu, but I already have it. So just here, ClearClick, and we're going to hit OK. But oh no, it's blue. That's because we haven't turned on the camera yet. So let's turn the camera on. Let's get this thing going. Okay, so you hear the little noise. It means the camera's going. Oh, there we are. We are now successfully added the camera. Now we have a focusing square on it, which I wasn't expecting that. But yeah, let's fix that, and let's record a little something and show you how that works. Okay, just a quick note: if you want to get rid of all this information that appears on screen when you have the camera ready to go, let me show you how to get rid of that by going into the functions menu of the camera. So the way we do that is we have the little menu button right here that we're gonna access. Okay, so once you're on this screen, what you want to do is you want to go to your left using the camera button right here, and then you're going to scroll down to this setting right here. Okay, and then you're going to go under monitor settings, photo info right there, and then all you want to do is either show info, auto info, or hide info. So we want to hide the info, so let's click on that. Now if we go back to the menu, we notice that everything is gone except for the focusing square, and then the timestamp is right there. But let's record a little something to see what it looks like in actions. Okay, we have now successfully connected the Nikon Coolpix 3200, and this is what it looks like. The cable's connected. We got rid of the information. Now you're ready to stream, or you can record with it however you like. Now it's being used as a webcam. We're using OBS to record the video. So this is what you're seeing right now is the recording from OBS, but this could easily just be a stream, and demonstrate how to use that on a separate video. So, and OBS is for free, and then you just connect the camera, and then you're ready to go to do a stream. So yeah, very easy to do.